Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the repair safe and focused. Unplug the fan and detach the clip assembly. Once done, visually inspect blades, housing, and the clip hinge to identify the fault. Use a multimeter to confirm no live voltage on the cord and test continuity across the switch. This tells you whether power delivery is the issue. Make sure to set tools nearby and work under steady light so small screws and springs don't vanish. Next, carefully disassemble the clip fan. Remove screws and keep them organized so reassembly is straightforward. You want to expose the motor, switch, and clip spring. Look for stripped gears, rusted bearings, or broken plastic tabs. Once visible, spin the motor shaft by hand to feel resistance. That reveals bearing or debris problems. If safe, briefly apply a known 512V supply to the motor to confirm operation, because that separates electrical failure from mechanical binding. To finish, replace or mend the faulty component. Install a new clip spring or lubricate bearings with a light oil and clear debris from gear teeth. Once parts are corrected, reassemble in reverse order and secure screws snugly. Do not overcompress plastic. After reconnecting power, test at low speed and observe for wobble or smoke. If the fan still fails, verify switch continuity and measure motor winding resistance to decide if a motor replacement is needed. Troubleshooting tip: intermittent spin often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.